He stumbled back. Right, short intro. So we've got off Queen Mary 2, and we're on the lovely island of Dominica, that was actually hit by Hurricane Maria a couple of years ago. But it's fantastic they've recovered from that, and we're on this excursion from Cunard, and we're going to take a ring ride down the river. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Okay. And we were driving up with our driver Raleigh, who gave us some great history on the island and pointed out some great sights. And we could see there were some rapids on the way down on this river, so it's gonna be interesting.
Thank you.
Here we go. Our first one's going off. Are you ready, Claire?
Yeah. Very cool. Okay, right there. That's what's up.
Yeah, you want one view, yeah. Yeah. Send. Send that. You get a tighter fit.
I like that. Okay.
Alright. Yamada tube. Let's get you go down.
All right, mate. Whoa! No kidding. This was sold as a slow ride. All right. Claire's ahead. Oh my God, rocks. Rocks. All right, boss.
You gonna let go?
Yeah, let go, Claire.
Okay, for sure.
Here we go again. We've been released. Ah, nice gentle bit. So they do give you this this paddle, which is rather nice of them. It's more fun going down on your front. Oh, and it's hot today, so it's supposed to get to about 29 degrees today. Here we go. We're into some rapids. Oh, Claire's going to hit a rock. That's not good. I'm going off into the mangroves. I'm going off track. Where Claire's gone? Claire's gone over there. I'm headed off here. I've got absolutely no control. Oh, God's sake. Somebody, I'm going down the wrong way. Oh no, I'm all right now. No problem. That helped. Rapids. Oh, God! About to hit that rock. Oh! Shuffling Nora! Just make sure your legs don't hit first. Oh! Where's head? Claire! Claire! Oh! Another hit! Rapids! Oh my God! Hey, backwards! Ah! Right, Kaz? Yeah. Oh, I bumped into you. Well, we're hooked up. Sometimes you just get a little bit stuck on these rocks, don't you? Huh?
Thank you for that splash.
Was that just splashy? I'm sorry. She won't let go of me. Is that alright? Aww.
Go together.
This is nice. I think this is the calm before the storm. Good luck, Claire. Claire, say a prayer. Put your hands together, say a prayer. Don't let go! Oh, we're picking up speed.
No. You go first, darling. You be brave. And you can protect me.
Oh, that? No! Don't let go!
Definitely sending you first.
That's not very nice. Let go. Claire. Rocks. She's going the wrong way. Bye, Claire. Here we go. Claire's following. Oh, now we're going. Woo! Right. Woo! Woo! Oh my God! Rock! Rock! I'm done squealing like a girl. Oh my God! you do get these long sections where it's just a nice gentle flow, and you can just take in the beautiful surroundings of this beautiful island. Right, Claire? But then all of a sudden you get these rapids come along. Oh, someone's gone over. Somebody flipped. Somebody flipped. And that's... Oh crap. Now I am actually scared. Not good. That's not good at all. We'll take care of you. That's it. Yeah. Let's not go any further. I'm quite happy. So these guys are very nice. If you get stuck on the side on the rocks, then they help you get free. And if you should die, then they'll move your body out of the way. Oh, God's sake! That's just typical. I'm going first again. Excuse me if I swear when I'm going down this path. Don't laugh, this is serious. Oh my God. Wacky rollers. Run. Oh my God. Oh my God. Claire's going round and round in circles. Oh my God! Oh my God! All right, boss. Jesus! Yay! We survived! Oh, did she? Man, that was so good. Oh, loving it. So I want to do it again. I want to do it again on my front. Oh, so if you're thinking of doing this ride, definitely do it. It's actually one of the less expensive excursions. 25-minute transfer. Oh, and a lot of history along the way from your guide. Oh no, incoming! And they're lovely. They are such lovely people in this area of the world, despite being through such trauma with the hurricanes that they've had. Obviously, it's grounded now. I wasn't concentrating on what I was doing.
Your battery.
Yeah.
Just your battery.
Yeah, good man.
Yes.
That's the way to do it.
Yes, that's the way to do it.
And despite not being attached physically, me and Claire managed to stay together all the way down, which is quite amazing actually, because we set off at slightly different times. Brilliant.
with the rail.
It's so good.
You enjoyed that? Hold on. A lot of fun. See you next time. This was sold as a slow ride. All right. About to hit that rock. Oh, shut the Just make sure you